Hey guys, make sure you like this video. Also, if you're not subscribed to the channel, you do so, making sure that that notification bell is on with the option all, so when I upload these videos, you are the first one to watch. Guys, I will most likely be going live today at 4 p.m. so we can discuss, is Soular posting 10 hours ago on his IG that he's basically back together with Velvet, or is this him reminiscing and already missing the short relationship that they had together? I don't know what's going on, but from what I can see with my own two eyes, it appears that he is trying to let us know that they are back together. And this is no surprise to us. That's why it's very important that you guys take the time out and hit that notification bell option all. I'm gonna have to stop reminding you guys again, because we cannot rely on YouTube to get these notifications out, because it's always been an issue with YouTube and the notification bell. Make sure that the notification bell is on with the option all, because I want you guys to be front and center in these lives when I go live talking about this 2023 season 2001 of what's going to be going on for the remainder of this year. So we know that baby Nature Boy and Velvet are both trying to keep the carbonation vibe alive. So, what better way to do so where Soular can be baby Nature Boy and Velvet can be in her position again, and now she can be front and center because Soular is not Nature Boy. He's not aggressive. She doesn't have to worry about him putting hands on her. If anything, she's probably the aggressor. Allegedly, when they got into a fallout, she chased him out the house with a shank, and they broke up for a couple of days, and obviously now they're back together. This is what it appears. Everything that you see on social media doesn't always have to be what it is, but he pinned this post of him and Velvet on his IG. I don't see anything on Velvet's IG. I also noticed, and I'm going to show you this in a minute, I also noticed this, and what is a little bit concerning to me is not the fact that they got back together and that Velvet is going through the carbonation type of vibe where she is healing trauma bonding with another carbonation member. The problem I have with this is these people are trying to lead a tribe. They are trying to educate the public on a way of life. And they have not healed themselves. They have not gotten off of social media and put a counselor or psychiatrist in their life first. They are healing through trauma bonding and social media. And they're still doing these storylines, and they're doing a good job. And I know that they listen to these videos. They're doing a very good job. Nature Boy taught them well, because this is the same scenario that we saw going on when Nature Boy was in the equation and he was leading the pack. But what is concerning to me and will always be concerning to me is not that they're back together, because if you like it, I love it. It's the fact that these are the future. They are trying to keep carbonation alive without Nature Boy being in the equation, and trying to show the public how it really should be done. But these are the leaders of who wants to be the baby Nature Boy and 𝗡𝗘𝗫𝗧, which is Velvet again. These are the leaders. These are the faces that people that come from broken places, hurt people, people that have fallen short and they need guidance. These people are going to follow these two people who need guidance and help and therapy and healing, and they're now trauma bonding, which if that's what they want to do, we can't knock them for that. That's their life. But we can talk about how we feel because they make their life public. But it concerns me, and I'm going to keep saying this, that these are the people that are trying to lead a community in a direction where they create a huge community that will live off the land and live a certain way and educate their kids that come up a certain lifestyle. And this could be very bad because we already see what's going on in the community. Parents somewhere along the line have had kids who have traumas, and then those traumas other people have to pay for them because later on in life you see them in a Walmart and they're trying to take people out. This is what happens when you have children that have to be brought up in this environment, and you don't understand as they get older, they make decisions for themselves. And they're going to have kids that are going to make fun of them. And they're going to have kids that are going to be very brutally honest that the lifestyle that their parents are living is not normal. They're going to tease them for that. These kids are going to have resentment. And then now we have a problem on our hands in society because now they're going to walk around angry with the world, thinking that the world is on their shoulders. And it all stems back from selfishness. It all stems back from people not wanting to heal. It all stems back to people not wanting to be alone and wanting to be in love and wanting to be in a relationship or have a man or have a woman, or trying to use the other to gain something or to have a roof over their head, a bed to sleep in, a hot meal. There's alternative motives that I think has nothing to do with love winning anything. It's a storyline as far as I look at it. They know how to play the game because Natureboy, they have been around the barbershop. They both have gotten haircuts. They know how to manipulate the community. What better way but for them to get together and blow up the whole circuit with that they're a couple and that they're going to keep carbonation alive and they're going to take over carbonation and stop the tribe over and show us how it's supposed to be done. All of this BS. And we know that they're not productive citizens of society. So they're going to cash in on it. And they're going to cash in on it on the hearts of the people who, even if they don't know Velvet or Soular personally, they personally was invested in how they were treated when they were over in carbonation with Natureboy. And a lot of people have invested time and money into these people. They're very supportive of these people. And I feel in my heart that love doesn't win. The supporters that support you, you have no respect or love for. It's all a money grab. You don't care about any of your supporters, let alone each other. And it's going to be like a circus. And I think that the only thing that doesn't win is the kids that are in this circle, in the equation, watching all of this stuff happen. Because as we see from when Soular put up that video, that fire video, they're doing this in front of the kids. And kids are like sponges. And you'll be surprised what kids will take from that toxicity and use in their own life. And history does repeat itself. And this could be self-destruction for a lifetime. That's why we have to protect our eyes and our ears, because I'm telling you, there are people out here that are demons. They think like demons. They are so programmed and brainwashed for so many years of Natureboy doing what he did to their lives. They don't even see the self-destruction that they're doing in the community and can possibly do to others if anyone follows these two people.